Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to record a presentation using Blackboard. First, you'll need to create a session under any of your course. Let's go to this course, for example. And we need to click Course Tools and choose Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Here we can create a session and we'll call it presentation. Okay, I'm not going to change the time, just by default, and click create. Once the session was created, click join the session. Now we entered the session. What we need to do is to click this small button to open the tool panel and click share content and then choose share application screen. Select the screen and click share. We can choose start recording. Blackboard will start to record the presentation. Now the session is being recorded. What I need to do is to open the PowerPoint slide that I want to present on. So this is a presentation. Once you're finished making the presentation, you can switch back to the Blackboard and click the up left menu and choose Stop Recording. Recording has stopped. In this case, Blackboard will save your recording. It might take a few minutes if the recording is a bit long. Okay, so once this is done, you can go to the Blackboard and find the recordings from the menu and choose recordings. So you will see the presentation recording is currently being processed. Once the processing is done, it can be downloaded by clicking the small circle here and choose download. It will be saved as MP4 video format. That is how to use Blackboard to create a recorded presentation. Thanks for watching.